Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this particular video we are going to talk about the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max first impression and hands-on videos that has been shared on the Vivlo account. So basically the iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with a pretty much decent amount of the screen sizes, and also it is going to be coming with a pretty much good color options which are available right now. These videos gives us a pretty much good detail that how the compact device the iPhone 12 mini is gonna be and what are going to be the factors when it is going to be available in the real world use. Obviously there are something which are going to be noticeable in terms of these hands-on videos, that the iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with pretty much slim design, and its design is similar with the other models of the iPhone 12 series. And the other hand, we are going to see that the iPhone 12 mini is also the device that is going to be very much easy in terms of one hand use. Obviously there is going to be one factor which is going to disappoint many of the users, and that is going to be the battery capacity which is coming inside. Maybe if you are not a heavy user, then this device is going to be a great option for you. The next in the list is going to be obviously the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that is going to be coming with a massive screen size of 6.7 inch, and probably this is going to be one of the biggest devices which has been arrived for the iPhone series which ever has been lost. 6.7 inch OLED display is going to be gorgeous, and the content on that particular device is going to be pretty much impressive. One of the things which I personally don't like about the device is going to be the factor that this device is going to be so much in a larger screen that you cannot use that device even with a single hand. Obviously you have to use double hands in order to achieve most of the tasks inside the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But on the other hand, if you look at that device size, you will notice that it is coming with a bigger screen size, which means more content can be shown on that. And obviously it is going to be coming with a bigger battery cells as well, which I probably think will not give you any kind of problem when it is going to be problem when it pretty much for a whole day. So guys, these are some of the hands-on videos and impression about these upcoming iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max devices. So guys, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about both of these devices? What are your opinions by looking at those leaked hands-on videos in the comment section below? And if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.